Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a roasted creamy mushroom and spinach and garlic, kind of like pasta, right? So before we get started, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon and it is linked below digitally, so don't forget that. Without further ado, y'all, let's get to it.
Gotta say a word, keep getting me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody, I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love you. I love you.
Obviously, y'all, before we get started, let me just show y'all what I got. I've been trying to just let y'all know what I got before we get going. Hold on, this butter is falling out. Hold on, let me show you. So what we have here, y'all, is some spinach. We got some bow tie noodles. That's just one pack. We got some mushrooms, some salt and pepper, and some thyme because I don't have some fresh thyme. I would love to have that. And I have some cream cheese. This right here is our seasonings, y'all. We just got some onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of seasoning salt, and some black pepper, okay? We got some butter, garlic, just cut the head off of it. We got some onions, just one onion, and we have some Parmesan cheese, y'all. So let's get to it. All right, y'all. So the first thing we're going to do is pretty much easy, y'all. I did go ahead and clean these mushrooms earlier, but what you want to do is you really don't want to soak them in water. You just want to kind of take a paper towel and just wipe a damp paper towel and just wipe them around and stuff like that. So we're going to dump these mushrooms in here. Like that. Then we're going to dump our onions. And me, I like to just break up my onions. Then I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Right. Then a little bit of thyme. If you got fresh thyme, this is when you're going to add your fresh thyme. And I'm going to add a little oil to the whole thing. Now I'm just mix it up. I understand that this ain't for everybody, so we're gonna add our garlic in here. We're gonna add some oil to it. A little salt on top. And a little pepper on top of that. Then y'all, we're just gonna dump our cream cheese on this and place it in the oven for about 30-45 minutes. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna take the garlic and squeeze it in the sauce that we make. Okay, y'all. So we're going to add a little bit of butter, a little bit of oil. We're gonna squeeze this. Right now it's hot, but if you want to wait till it cool off, but I'm putting this squeeze it. Yes. We're going to just add a little heavy whipping cream. Okay, a lot of it. Add some seasonings. That's the seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. Alright, y'all, so we're going to add our spinach. Mix that up real good. Y'all know this gonna cook down. Okay, now we're gonna add some Parmesan. I did go ahead and cook my pasta. Just cook your pasta according to the box on what it says. Okay, we got bow tie noodles. Y'all seen that from the beginning. This is about done. We're gonna go ahead and stop there. Now we're just gonna add the pasta and the spinach Alfredo we just made. Mix that up. We're gonna put the rest of this Parmesan cheese that we mixed in for the Alfredo. Now I'm gonna add a little parsley. This is done. Alright, y'all, so this is how it came out. Very creamy, y'all. Don't forget the grocery list is in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button.